Hello students. Today you will learn how to factor a trinomial, x squared plus bx plus c, into a product of two binomials. And here we have a trinomial, x squared plus 6y plus 8, and we're going to factor that. And we can assume that because we have x squared that our first two terms are going to be x and x, because x times x equals x squared. We can also look at our signs in our trinomial, and we can assume that we're going to have two positives, because we have plus and plus. We have two positives there. Now, what we're looking for is we are looking for two numbers that their product is 8 that add up to be 6. And because we have positives in front of our b, we can eliminate the negatives. Negative 8, negative 1, we eliminate negative 4 and negative 2. If we put in negative 8 and negative 1, we multiply those up, that equals 8, and we add them, it equals 9, so it does not fit into our trinomial. But if we put 4 and 2 in, we have 4 times 2 equals 8, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So that will solve our trinomial. So when we multiply x plus 4 times x plus 2, we get x squared plus 6y plus 8. Here's another problem. X squared minus 12x plus 35. Again, we can assume that we can have x and x in our first terms. If we look at our c, it's a positive 35. If we look at our b, it's a negative 12. We can assume that because this is negative and that's positive, that both our terms, our second terms, are going to be negative. So we put negatives in there. So right away we can eliminate our factors of 35, our positive factors, 1 and 35, and 5 and 7. So we're looking for two terms that multiply up to be 35 and add up to be negative 12. In this case, we can take negative 5 and negative 7, place those in there, and again, when we multiply x minus 5 and x minus 7, we're going to get 35, positive 35, and then negative 12x in our b. The last thing we have x squared again, x and x. This time our c is a negative and our b is a positive. Whenever our c is a negative, we can assume that one of our terms is going to be negative and one of our terms is going to be positive. In this case, I've listed all the factors of negative 20. And so we're looking for some factors that multiply up to be negative 20 and then add up to be positive 1. Then I look through my terms. The only one that's going to work is negative 4 and positive 5. Negative 4 and positive 5. So when I multiply those out, we get x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, negative 4 times 5 is 20. I put my negative 4x plus 5x equals positive x, and I get my answer. I'd like you to pause this video